off to Yellowstone.
Doobity dobbity deep.
You're on thin ice already.
All right, this is downtown West Yellowstone here on Main Street.
There's a lot of ice cream Haagen-Dazs places here.
Yeah.
Is this like a base for Haagen-Dazs?
I don't know. But we should go there. Go get some Haagen-Dazs.
Right there is this sign.
All right, I think the
Oh, a kid spot. Grizzly Park, is that what it says? Grizzly Park? Oh, there's a movie theater, guys.
We should go see the new Lilo and Stitch. That movie theater is big.
It is kind of big, huh?
Why are we parking at the movie theater?
we're not. We're going into the information.
Oh, spot right here, baby.
Perfect.
Oh, sorry, I almost closed the door on you.
The lizard tried doing that.
Yeah.
We're going to get a map. Hey, wrong way.
They're just looking at the sign.
There's maps.
It's like
You can move. No, that's a reindeer. Oh, definitely. Yellowstone Journal. Yellowstone Journal. Couldn't find it. That was a mission failed.
Every time we buy a ticket at to enter, we're gonna get a map right there. The counter where everyone was buying tickets, they're probably getting a map. So no actual map, but we got a lot of other stuff. Fold on the dotted line and tear. Okay.
New gas station shades. I totally dropped them in the store and the lens popped out too. But
You've gone through more sunglasses this trip than like
yeah, I know.
you do all year.
I did. This is the second pair I bought on this trip. Good thing I've been buying really cheapos. Here's the entrance. Oh, look at all the people.
That's a traffic jam.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's a traffic jam.
What does that red sign say?
Prepaid, and then all the other three say lane open.
Snooze you lose. All right, we're in Yellowstone, guys. We made it! Woo!
Yay!
You guys got some scavenger hunt.
Yeah, one for each of you. Wildlife. You gotta find a bison, a bighorn sheep, a mule deer,
Okay,
Canada goose, a swan, a moose, a pronghorn, mountain goat, ravens and grizzly bears and wolves.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
I can't see anything.
I'm gonna turn down
I
that
love
road
this
real
stuff
quick.
so much.
If it says we can enter.
One way,
Riverside Drive, let's enter.
and it's a one way, and this is the way.
I see fishy.
You guys.
Let's go check that out, dude. That is beautiful.
I want to go check it out.
First little pull off Riverside Drive or something or other. But we just wanted to come and take a look at this. I don't know. I don't even see any fish. It's pretty shallow right here. Really shallow. Want to cross it? Like, look at how clear it is, though. It's like, the water is like crystal clear. You could see straight to the bottom.
Can you imagine that's so deep? So then we can see fish. Then.
Look at this view. Insane. Super insane.
Okay, we found all these.
Our three little explorers. Look at that. You guys are cool, man. Wow. I can't tell if that's a bear right there or what that is.
It's a bear.
It is? Just staring at us?
Yeah.
It looks like something, but I can't tell. What do you guys think?
That's a wild dog. That's a wild dog.
That's nothing.
That's a wild dog.
Or it could be a black tree that just looks like a dog or a bear.
Oh, never mind. Where's
There's
the geyser?
multiple
The
geysers.
big steamy thing ahead.
What is that for?
It's a geyser. It's like a hot water thing.
Like a hot bison?
Hot it up.
Yeah,
I
hot
don't
it
know,
up,
Caesar.
Carl.
I was thinking that too. The thing kind of like in the grassy area.
There's probably something going on right here too.
Jeez.
There's a bunch of people.
Look, wait, pull over.
Oh, not yet, buddy.
Yep, right there. It looks
What?
like a bison. Yep.
Dude, bison!
Bison right
look,
there.
guys.
Bison.
Grizzly.
Was
No,
that a bear?
That's a bison. It's 100% a bison. It's a big old headed
You
bison.
guys see it? In the
It's eating grass.
That's a big booty.
That's it. It's eating grass.
We
Why
saw
does it look
bison,
like
guys.
I saw over there.
It probably because it might have been a bison too.
Bison,
Let
buddy.
me get off.
All right, we saw a bison, guys.
Check it off the list.
Check it off the list.
Did you see the rainbow water, guys? Caesar did. I know you saw it.
I saw the rainbow water.
Do they like pop like up like?
I think Old Faithful does. Fountain paint pot or something like that. We saw a freaking bison, guys.
That was
I
cool.
thought that was a grizzly.
That was a bison. I was
I
thinking
thought
it was
that was a grizzly for a second, or a black bear. Cause Barry needs to find his mommy.
Grand Prismatic Spring right there.
It's right here.
This is why everybody stopped and parked
Your
back
map.
there.
Is it rainbow water too? What your
Yeah,
name?
this is the rainbow water. All right, we're at the Grand Prismatic Spring now. We're gonna try and get some parking.
No wash, no dog, no swim. I made it try to do this. I made it try to do it.
Why would that be?
It's like the water's raining on itself.
Excelsior
Stepping off.
Geyser Crater.
No stepping off that.
I don't want to go. I want to touch it, but I don't want to touch it at the same time. Smell it. It smells
Mama, what's that say?
hot.
Mama,
It
what's that
smells
say?
hot, yeah.
It smells hot, Dad.
It does.
Do not mark bacterial match. Basically, don't touch anything.
That was the small one.
Grand Prismatic Spring looks
You
crazy.
guys,
It looks like a beach, like a tropical ocean. Oh wow, there's people all the way up there.
oh yeah, another viewpoint up there.
Yeah.
People in that past area.
No. Grand Prismatic Spring was very awesome.
That's not in
You can swim?
I'm just trying to figure out where we're supposed to go. Any idea where the food is?
I don't see any signs. I mean, maybe we just park and we just gonna have the Old Faithful Geyser,
Probably
the
over there.
restrooms. It's either gonna be that building
The
there on the
general
left,
store.
Or this thing here on the right, there's one more building, but I don't know if that's the lodge.
All right, we made it to the Old Faithful Visitor Center. We're gonna try and get some food, hopefully, if that's possible.
You ready?
Hey, what about one of these? That's cool.
I think it's good that I'm skinny because now a bear won't.
Just don't add a Y at the end.
Now a bear won't eat me, Dada. Bear
What?
won't eat me. Bear won't eat me because I'm too skinny.
Oh yeah? Yeah, maybe you're like a snack.
When does the geyser explode?
I'm not sure, buddy. Probably. I'm not really sure yet. Cheese. Why do we say cheese?
I don't know.
That's funny.
Say Chris.
Say cheese, guys.
Cheese. I don't see
So
it.
Dada,
Hey,
when they
look at
fall
it.
into
What are they
the
doing?
Oh, it's coming. Look it. Look it. It's starting to steam up.
I gotta see what those birds are doing.
Bro, I bet she's about to eat up. Just squirted up something. And it's getting ready. What's that was it?
That was it.
This is not coming from.
Old Faithful, you right. Woo! Yeah. Oh, here it comes.
Here we go.
Yeah. Wow. Is it rumbling under us? Wow.
Look, it's making a water.
It's making a mist.
That's where the rainbow should come from. That's what it's made.
All right, guys, all done at Yellowstone. What'd you think, Caesar, of everything at Yellowstone? No.
Yeah.
I don't even want to ask you how you think it was.
I would thirsty.
Mr. Carlo. We are escaping the chaos of Yellowstone now, but everybody's cooked, especially Matthew, Carlo, and Mommy. They are most cooked. Me and Caesar are hanging in a little better, but still cooked as well. All right, so we're getting out of here now. Gotta find the truck, cross without getting killed here, and we bugging. All right, guys, what do we think? How is Yellowstone?
Go.
Amazing.
Is this your favorite part of it, Carlo?
This is where the bison was, I'm pretty sure, right?
I think so. Carlo acts like he's gonna melt. Of course, he crashed right into. He literally crashed right into the slide. Right into the slide. Annihilated himself.
What happened?
I know. He ran full speed right into. He's fine. It's just a bump. It's just a bump. It's a bump. Full speed, put his head down, and just ran straight into the slide.
I want to do a lot of stuff.
Got Mac in the couch, table, converted bed.
Carlo
Carlo with his battle scar in his bed.
Please continue.
And Cece. Cece's quiet tonight. He's not talking at all. Night, Cece. Love you guys.
I was in the battlefield.
You were in the battlefield. You sure were.
He's not letting me.
Fun day at Yellowstone. Night, boys. Made it back to our campground. We're going hard too.